Hello everybody, I hope y'all are having a good winter. I wanted to say I'm sorry I haven't posted for a while. Life has been crazy, but I promise I'm gonna do better. It is so cold where we are right now, and we are just working hard to keep all these babies warm. We are not used to this weather. I hope everyone's staying warm, and a huge thank you to everyone still following me, and I am gonna upload a bunch of videos tonight. I hope y'all have a great evening and enjoy these cute little horse butts. Our biggest horse, Penny, at the front, and our little rotten monster little Nugget at the back. Have a good evening, y'all.